Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the hello screen, where you just get to press on the green arrow and then find your desired language from the list, click on it and select next. Choose your region, which doesn't really matter to be completely honest. And next we have some legal information like user agreement and privacy policy. The other two are optional, so do not select them. If you don't need to, you shouldn't agree to anything. Next we have connect to Wi-Fi. Now this step is completely optional and you can skip it if you want to. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can access internet through SIM card. But if you choose to skip both of those, you will have a couple of things happen. So number one, date and time won't be set automatically. You won't have the option to log into Google account, and additionally, you won't have ability to restore apps and the data from a cloud backup. And I think that's about it. So I'm gonna be skipping it. Next we have Google services. And here we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now this is from Google, and we all know how trustworthy Google is. So hell knows how actual, if that toggling off actually does anything. So anyway, I'm just gonna ignore it. Next we have navigation method, and we have gestures and buttons. Choose whichever one you prefer. I like gestures myself. And then we can select next, which allows us to choose some kind of protection to our device. Now, you don't need to protect your device if you don't want to, you can skip it right here, though I wouldn't recommend it. I will be selecting just a pattern as a method, but you can also add fingerprint and face recognition, though if you're planning to use any of the biometrics like fingerprint or face recognition, you will also be required to select PIN, pattern, or password. Biometrics aren't 100% reliable, so in those times when they just fail you, you will have the option to unlock the device using PIN, pattern, or password. Okay, select next. I want to select pattern. I'm going to draw it twice. And there we go, it's now set. Now I did only select pattern, so I'm not sure why it's going straight to the fingerprint. It's not what I selected. I'm going to select next. Recommended, auto update overnight. This is completely up to you. And we can select done. And get started, and this will take us to the home screen with the device fully set. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.